What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, my name is Jay, and in this video today, we're going to be taking a look at the Yelangu wireless microphone. Now, first and foremost, I just want to say thank you to the company for actually sending this out. I really do appreciate any and everything that we get here in the studio that I can share with you guys. And if tech tips, tutorials, reviews, and unboxings is something that you're into, then please consider subscribing to the channel, and don't forget to hit that like button so that the YouTube algorithm can be nice to this video. Let's get to it. All right, you guys, so if you're in the market for one of these, you can find it right here on Amazon. It's going to go for about $69. I'll throw a link up in the description, but this is the wireless lavalier lapel video recording microphone with receiver and transmitter. It's kind of similar to the Rode Wireless Go, but let's just scroll through, see what else we can find in here just to kind of get some more information on it. But you're going to get your receiver, your microphone, you're going to get your two TRR and TRS cables, you're going to get a lapel mic, charging cord, and things like that. And then just kind of like some little, demonstrations of how you can actually use it and things like that. So we'll go ahead and get in this box. And then once we get everything taken out the box, go through it real quick, we will start the audio test. So let's move to the box. So let's go ahead and dive into this box really quick. So once you take the top off, you are greeted with a warranty card, some more information. Then you have your actual manual right here. Then next you have your TRRS and TRS cables. Let's get these taken out really quick. You got your cables right here, so we'll sit those off to the side as well. After those cables, you're going to have the actual lapel mic right here. You got your lapel mic, and it comes with an actual clip, so you can make sure you clip it on your shirt. So we'll sit those off right there. After that, you have the actual charging cord right here. So this is your charging cord. Let's take a look at that. And it is, what's this, micro USB. So you got your USB cord right here. Let's move all those things out of the way. And then right here on the right hand side, there's nothing else under there, but on the right hand side, this is going to be the, looks like this is going to be the receiver. This is where you can plug it in to charge it, monitor your audio, and this is where you're going to plug your TRRS cable in here. You turn it on right here. You got an indicator light showing you that it's connected, things like that. But we'll get this stuff connected and go through it. And you got your volume up and down, stuff like that. So that's one. And then you have the actual microphone receiver here. So this has a mic as well, so you don't have to plug in a lapel mic if you don't want to. You can just clip this on your shirt and use the microphone right there. But you got your mute button and stuff like that on it. You got your cord here to charge it. You got your microphone here and your auxiliary and so forth. So we'll start this audio test. All right, guys, so this is what it's going to sound like while using just the transmitter without the actual lapel mic plugged in. I haven't done anything to the actual audio. This is what it sounds like coming straight out of the box. If I do anything in post to the audio, I will make sure I put that on the screen so you guys can see the adjustments that I made. Once again, this is without the actual lapel mic. We will plug the lapel mic in and get an audio test as well, and we will take it outside to get a small range test and an audio test with the lapel mic and the transmitter only, just so you guys can see what it sounds like outside as well. So let's switch over to the actual lapel mic. So this is what it's going to sound like while using the actual lapel mic plugged directly into the transmitter. Once again, I haven't done anything to the actual audio, but if I do anything to the audio in post, I'll make sure I come back, put it on the screen so you guys can know the adjustments that I did make to the audio. Once again, we will go outside and do this same test with the lapel mic and the transmitter, and we will check to see how far we can go as far as distance go. Once again, I haven't done anything to the audio, but this is what it sounds like with the lapel mic. Let's head outside right now and get the rest of this audio test. All right, you guys, so we're gonna do a quick outdoor audio test. I brought it outside so you guys can hear some of the ambiance outside. I got the transmitter on right now. Once I get done, we'll try the lapel mic and do the same thing. But what I'm going to do is head all the way down to the other end of my yard right now, so you guys can kind of see how far the range go. Even though I'm pretty sure we won't use it in this fashion unless you're doing something that requires you to use a wireless microphone this far. But we'll go down towards my fence, see if it continues to pick up the audio. And I'm going against the wind a little bit, so I don't know if you guys can hear that as well. But just a quick note to pair these things, since I didn't show you guys earlier, all you do is turn them on. As soon as you turn them on, they pair instantly. So I'm currently down here at the fence, and I'm going to head back right now. Hopefully the audio quality is still there. Hopefully it didn't lose any audio on the way down once I get back down here, we'll throw the lapel mic on and do another audio test real quick, just so you guys can see the difference and see what it sounds like. Now, also keep in mind you can plug any type of lapel mic into this. So, you know, if you have a different type of lapel mic that might be of some better quality, I guess, don't forget you can plug those in too. So let's go ahead, since I'm back, let's go ahead and throw the lapel mic in right now. All right, you guys, so I have the actual lapel mic on. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm gonna go ahead and take this same walk, talk to you guys real quick, and hopefully the audio stays. Sun is out. You should be able to hear a little bit of ambiance. There's still a little bit of like headwind coming towards me as I walk, so you know, I don't know if the mic is picking that up, but also keep in mind you can use a different type of lapel mic with this system. So if you have a lapel mic that you prefer, I'm pretty sure you can plug it into this system, you know, and use that as well. So I'm currently down here at the other end of my yard. I'm touching the fence, and right now I'm gonna head back. So hopefully the audio quality sounds good. Let me know what you guys think of this actual audio quality. I'm getting a little winded out here because it's hot. Let me know what you guys think of this audio quality. Go ahead and drop me a comment below. I'm pretty anxious to see what you guys think about it. And as well as this system, what you guys think of this system for the price, you know, because for the price compared to something like the Rode Wireless Go, I mean, you can't beat it. As long as the audio quality is up to par, you can't beat it. So we back, tried it with the lapel mic. Let's take this back in. So once again, I just want to thank the company Yelangu for sending out the wireless microphone. Like I said before, I really do appreciate any and everything that we get here on this channel that I can share with you guys. Now, if you found this video helpful in any way, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that like button so the YouTube algorithm can be nice to this video. It's been your man Jay, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.